Hey, if you are a Clickbank affiliate or you want to become a Clickbank affiliate and you are still paying monthly for services like ClickFunnels and others, you need to watch this video, because not only I'm going to give you a free tool at the very end of this video, but also I'm going to show you how you can generate more money with your very next Clickbank promotion. So please make sure to watch this entire video. All right, so here is the truth. Well, the screenshot on the left is indeed mine, and I did make $54,149.37 in commission in just 3 weeks. I don't promote Clickbank offers often. Why? Because there is much easier way to generate passive income daily without risking of getting my ad account shut down. But when I promote a Clickbank offer, I do it exactly the same way as all the super affiliates does. I use quizzes. Hi, my name is Peter Garrity, and in the next few seconds, I'm going to show you how you can stop overpaying to host your affiliate landing pages and get even a better way to organize and streamline your affiliate marketing business. Even more, not only I'm going to show it to you right in this ad, I'm actually going to give you an affiliate quiz for the weight loss niche for free. Are you ready? All right, so as an affiliate of Clickbank product, you need a platform that does these 5 things, minimum these 5 things. Number 1, it can host unlimited SSL secure custom landing pages. Number 2, it allows to create redirects on the same domain. Number 3, it makes it easy to integrate tracking scripts and do A/B split tests. Number 4, it can deliver your giveaway reports, products to build your list if you choose to do so. Number 5, it can scale up or down based on your business needs. I built that platform and it's called Dashnix Pages. Let's look inside. Now, before I show you inside of the platform, I just want to share with you the quiz lender that I'm going to give you for free at the end of this video. So this is how it looks like, and obviously you can customize absolutely everything. You can change title, subtitle, change images, change questions and question images, do exactly what you need to convert more people to paid customers, right? So now if we go through this quiz, you can see that we have integrated this nice bar right here that shows the progress, and it's going to improve how people go through the quiz, right? So now we get to the final stage. We validate the responses, and I'll show you something really powerful at the end of this. We have really improved this quiz lender to make it super powerful. So here you can see the confirmation, and after people read this text and they click on the agree button, what they will see is this opt-in pop-up, right? And this opt-in pop-up offers them to receive the results from the quiz or receive the answers from the quiz. And if they enter the email to access results, then what you got is a subscriber on your email list, which then allows you to promote to that person over and over again and simply make more money. Now, if they choose not to do that and they click this link here that says no, show me the presentation, through your affiliate link, they are getting redirected to the offer that you want to promote, and you make money anyway. So this is basically how you double your opportunity from the same person who visits your pages to make money, right? And that's how you should promote when you do the Clickbank promotions. Now let's look inside of the platform. So last year I was promoting a weight loss product called Fat Decimator System. And this was my setup. So I had a bunch of different pages in there. And one of those pages was this quiz lender that looks like this. You can see, we have improved it massively. We have changed it massively and added a bunch of different other things. So the quiz lender that you are going to get today is much more powerful and much more effective when running ads. We also had something like, for example, pages like these where we basically say to people, hey, we have given you a special report, but before you navigate away from this page, make sure you watch this video, to see how you can lose weight. And it automatically redirects people, and you can set that to redirect after 10, 15 seconds, however you want, through your affiliate link to the offer that you want to promote. So all of these features are really powerful to make you more money as an affiliate. And then if we go inside of our website settings, you will see how it's all organized here. So we can design everything, set up all our designs. We can add our scripts, like Facebook scripts and Google tracking scripts. We can add our source files. So if you are using different, templates, we can just buy templates online or something like that and just use them. And the free quiz that I'm going to give you will come with the source files. You'll be able to drag and drop them in here on your domain and just start to basically host them right here inside of the Dashnext pages. All the legal pages you can generate with just a few clicks. Other pages as well, like about page and custom page, which are very good for marketing. And then you can add a custom domain and configure all of those settings. And once you have done that for your domain, you can create multiple different pages. You can create a lead generation page. You can create a sweepstakes page, which will allow you to get more people on your email list. You can set up redirects through your own domain, which is super powerful and congruent. So you don't have to use some third-party service to create redirects. Or you can host blank pages, which basically allows you to take any HTML page online and just host it right here without all the complex drag and drop builders and things like that. So those are just a few capabilities that Dashnext Pages provides to you. And you can start to really maximize your results as an affiliate, especially when you promote products on Clickbank. Now, to get free access to all of that, right? So to free quiz lender for the weight loss and fitness niche, to the Dashnext Pages platform, and we also will give you $5 in credits for just testing the platform and quiz lender. So to get all of that, you have to click the link in this ad or just go to freequizlender.com and claim your free access right away. So you're getting free access to the quiz lender to promote your weight loss or fitness products on Clickbank. You get free access to Dashnext Pages platform to host your quiz lender, and you instantly get $5 in credits just for trying it out. There's no credit card required, just valid email. That's all I'm asking. And this is how you can stop overpaying for basic tools, streamline your affiliate business now, and just make more money. So go to freequizlender.com, sign up right now, download the quiz lender, and start to make more money with your promotions of the Clickbank products.